This is a 1995 Toyota 4Runner. And I was looking for the OBD port and couldn't find it, so I did a research and it said that it was under the hood in a cab that said diagnostic. So I go ahead and did it myself and hooked it up right here. Okay, this is the cap that was under. So we're gonna try it out, see what happens, see what codes. On the research it said that this one right here, this side, was E1, and this was one TE1. I don't know what that means, but I'm gonna go see what codes pop out. So you have to have a pencil to write the codes down just in case if codes start popping up like crazy. So gotta get a pencil. Okay, see. You put the ignition on, don't turn on the truck though. Okay, let's see what this reads. So it's supposed to blink. So that's 4. So it just blinked 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Code 4-1. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So supposedly if it repeats, that there's nothing going on. So that what blinks in the first time, 1, 2, 3, 4, you look up that 4 and then like right there, okay, so that's 4 and then 1, so you look up that code 441. So I'm not too good at this, but I'm gonna look it up to see what it says. Supposedly that if it repeats, that means everything's good. So I don't know, I'm gonna look it up to see what happens. Thanks guys. I don't know anything else what to say. I'm not too good at this recording stuff, so sorry for the way I say things. So okay guys.